Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths by Galaxy Publications Class 6. Now we are starting chapter 1, Number System. By now we have learned how to deal with small as well as large numbers and Indian and international place value system of numbers. We have also learnt about mathematical operations. We have also seen patterns in numbers and some sequences, etc. Numbers are endless as every number is followed by the next number greater than it by 1. So, before proceeding further, let us see what we have done earlier. The smallest 6-digit number is, we know, 1 lakh, 1 and 5 zeros. The largest 6-digit number is 6 times 9 means 9,99,999. When we write a number using comma, then it becomes easier to read and write. Okay, so consider the number, this number. So it is a bit difficult to read because we don't have any commas. So but if we rewrite it using commas like this, here 9,67, 840, then we can easily read it as 9,67,840. I think this point is clear to you. Now the next is ascending order. When numbers are written from the smallest number to the largest number, then the numbers are in ascending order. Descending order. When numbers are written from the largest number to the smallest number, then the numbers are in descending order or decreasing order. So ascending means increasing order, smallest to greatest, and descending means decreasing order, greatest to smallest. Now the next is place value and face value. The place value of a digit of a number depends upon its position in the number, or the place value of a digit in a number is its face value multiplied by its position value. Place value depends on the position of the digit. The face value of a digit is the number it represents irrespective of its position. Let us find the place value and face value of 7 in this number, 1,37,460. The digit 7 lies in the thousands period. So, hence the place value of 7 is 7,000. 7 multiplied by 1000. And the face value of 7 is that digit only, 7 only. Okay, now the next topic is expanded form. When a number is written as the sum of the place values of all the digits of the number, then the number is in its expanded form. See, that expanded form of 6,25,984 is as shown below. So how we can write this number in the expanded form? तो आप देखो 6 is at lakh position, तो 6 and here 50 plus 2, then 40 plus 5, 30 plus 9, 20 plus 80 plus 4. So this is the expanded form. Okay. Now next is the successor. The successor of a given number is the number that just succeeds it. That is the number just after the given number. It is obtained by adding 1 to the given number. If any number is given and we want its successor, means what to do? Plus 1. जैसे 6 है, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is successor of 6. Like 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 is successor of 10. Right? The next is predecessor. The predecessor of a given number is the number that just precedes it. यानी जो उससे एकदम पहले आए. यानी that is the number just before the given number. It is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. I hope these are clear to you. Now come to exercise 1, question number 1. Put commas at the correct places in the following numbers and write them in words. Like see, the C part here 2, 6, 5, 3, 8, 4. We have here 6 digits. So you know ones, tens, 100. So here comma, then 1000, 10,000 and lakh, and here comma. So how you will write it? 2,65,384. Now we can write this one in words. So 2,65,384, right? I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the next question number 2, write the following numbers in their expanded form. See, like A part 8,05,730. So what to do? So 8 and then 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 0, we can leave 0. Now take 5 and 3 zeros plus 700 plus 30 and plus 0, no need to write it. So this is the expanded form. Similarly you can try remaining parts. Now see question number 3. Rewrite the following numbers in ascending order. We have some numbers, we have to write them in increasing order. Increasing order means how smallest to greatest number. So see here like B part, the first number 2,37,045, then 8,23,765, then 6,213 and 99,999. So see, which one is the smallest number? This is the smallest and this is the greatest one. और इन दोनों में कौन सा बड़ा है? This is 2 lakh something, this is 99,000. Of course, this one is bigger. तो आप सबसे पहले लिखेंगे 6,213, that is less than which number? 99,999. Okay. Then this number 2,37,045, then 8,23,765. So this is the ascending order, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now come to next 4th question. Rewrite the numbers in descending order, means decreasing order, means greatest to smallest. So see here like B part 680, 6,008, 86,000, 80,006. So सबसे छोटा नंबर है this one 680 and सबसे बड़ा number 86,000, right? So descending order, decreasing order. So सबसे पहले हम लेंगे 86,000. Then out of these two numbers, which one is greater? Of course 80,006. This is greater than 6,008, greater than 680, right? So similarly you can try first part. Now here come to question number 5. Write the place value and face value of 7 in the following numbers. Like C part 17,846. So what is the place value? That is 7,000 and face value, that is 7. Similarly you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 6. Write the short form for the following. So here we have to write in their actual form. So like B part, what is given? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 9 lakh. Then 8,000, 10,000 digit missing. Then 400, then 20, then 8. So 9, then 0, 8, 4, 2, 8. This is the short form, right? Now you can try 7th and 8th question on your own. Now come to next, larger numbers. So larger numbers, अब हम बात करते हैं larger numbers की. The first one is 7-digit numbers. We know that 9,99,999. This is the largest 6-digit number. इसमें 6 times 9 है. So this is the largest 6-digit number. अब हम क्या करें? The successor of this number is what? अगर हम इसमें +1 ऐड कर देते हैं, then we are getting 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, this is the smallest 7-digit number. इसमें क्या है? 1 and 6 zeros. So this is the smallest 7-digit number. So here a 7-digit number begins with the 10 lakh place in the lakhs period of the place value chart, right? So for example, a numeral like this 94 है, 15 है, फिर 809. So how we can read it? So 94,15,809. So this is 7-digit number और इसको हम ऐसे ही read करेंगे. Now we can see periods here and then place and then digits. So periods, ones, 1000, lakhs, ones के अंदर ones, tens, 100, place value, then 1000, 10,000, then lakh and 10 lakh. And then we can write the digit and then we can write in the words and we can write in the expanded form. So see how to write in the expanded form. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros, plus 4, then 5 zeros, plus then 10,000, plus 5,000, plus 800, plus 9. So this is the expanded form. और इसमें हमारे पास क्या है? 94 lakhs है and 15,000 है and 809. ओके, lakhs के अंदर 94 lakhs, 1000 में 15,000 and ones में 809. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to next, we have 8-digit numbers. So in the same manner, we get the largest 7-digit number, means 7 times 9. And how we can read it? 99,99,999. अगर हम इसमें 1 ऐड कर देंगे, then we will get 8-digit number, smallest 8-digit number, जिसमें क्या होगा? 1 and 7 zeros, right? So this is the smallest 8-digit number. Now 8-digit number begins with the crores place in the crores period, right? lakhs के बाद हम किसकी बात करेंगे? crores की. Okay, now let us consider 8-digit numeral, this one 94730586. Now what to do? Periods here, ones, 1000, lakhs and crores. Then place ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, now write the digits. So here 94730586. So what are you getting? How we can read it? So it is clear that expanded form of this number is like this. We can write it and we see that crores means this one, lakhs here 47 lakh, thousands 30,000 and ones 586. So the given number in words, how we can write in words? 9 crore 47 lakh 30,586. So very simple, very interesting. Now come to next, Indian and international systems of numerations. अब हम बात करते हैं Indian and international system of numeration. There are two systems of reading and writing numbers. The one is Indian system and the other is international system. In the Indian system of numeration, we start from extreme right. We get the first period as ones, okay, with 3 place values, ones, tens and hundreds, right? The next period is 1000. So with 2 place values, 1000 and 10,000. The third period is lakh with two place values, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, and then the next is crores and so on. So this system of numeration is known as the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. In the Indian system, the first comma comes after 3 digits from the right, that is after ones period, and the next comma comes after the next 2 digits, that is after thousands, and then after every 2 digits. And now Indian place value chart. So here we have ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, then under ones place values, ones, tens and hundred, and here thousand, thousand and 10,000, lakh, lakh and 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore, right? So here you know ones में 1, tens में 1 0 10, hundreds में 1 2 zeros, thousand में 1 and 3 0, 10,000 में 1 and 4 0, lakh में 1 and 5 zeros, 10 lakh 1 and 6 zeros, and here crores 1 and 7 zeros, and then 10 crore में 1 and 8 zeros. Okay, now in the Indian system of numeration, so like this number is given, now put the commas. तो आपने क्या करना है, once जो आपके पास period है, then put the comma over here, okay, before 3 digit, then take 2 digit, put the comma, then take 2 digit, put the comma, right? Similarly in this number, so how to put the commas over here, यहाँ पर 701, so here 1 and then 1 and then 1, so like this. Okay, now in the international system of numeration, starting from extreme right, the first period is ones with 3 place values, ones, tens and hundreds. The next period is thousands with 3 place values, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, and then millions, and after that billions. In international system of numeration, all the periods have 3 place values each. Okay, see here international place value chart. Here you can see ones, then thousands, millions and then billions. So ones के अंदर ones, tens, hundreds, thousand में 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions में 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, and here billions में 1 billion, 10 billion and 100 billions, right? So you can see over here ones O, T, hundreds H, thousand T and small h, 10,000 T, T, H, okay, and 100,000 H and TH, 1 million M, 10 million TM, 100 million HM, billion B, 10 billions TB and 100 billions HB, right? And now here ones में 1, tens में 1 0, 1 and 0, 100 में 1 and 2 0, 1,000 में 1 and 3 0, 10,000 में 1 and 4 0, ऐसे ही हम 1 1 0 increase करते जाएंगे, right? So since each period has 3 place values, so to write a number with the help of commas, we have to put a comma after every 3 digits from the right. Okay, like this number is given. So what to do here? 1 2 3, put the commas, 1 2 3, put the commas like this. So you will get like this. Okay, now come to example 1. Rewrite the following numbers in the Indian and international system of numerations using commas. Okay, write them in words also. See now A part 7508234. So now what to do? Here we know Indian system में what to do. This is ones period 3 digit, then put the comma over here. Now take 2 digit, then put the comma, then take 2 digit, put the comma. Okay, now international system में we take 3 digits, so put 1 comma over here, then next comma here, like this. So now read it. this is what? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. 7 crore, 50 lakh, 82,364, right? Okay, now write in international system. This is 75,082,364, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now see next over here, B part, this number, now put the comma. So we are getting 28, 53, 276. ऐसे इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में put the comma, so we are getting like this. Now write in words. So how we can read it? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 28 lakh, 53,276. So in international system, how we can write it? 2,853,276. Now come to example 2. Rewrite the following numbers in the international place value chart. So you know very well, ones, then thousands, millions and then billions, and their place values: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and then 100 million, then billion, 10 billion, and then 100 billion. So now here A part, first put the commas. So here 1 comma, then 1 comma and then 1 comma. So this becomes 34 billion 561 million 675,891. Now B part, so put the commas, 1 comma here, then here and here. So now this becomes 6,494,383,501. Okay, so we can write it like this. I hope this is clear to you. Very easy and very interesting. Now come to next. We are talking about formation of numbers. अब हमें numbers बनाने हैं, like greatest number, smallest number. See the first one, greatest number. To make the greatest number, arrange the given digits in descending order. जो भी digits हैं उनको हम arrange कर देंगे descending order में, then we will get a greatest number. Similarly, next is smallest number. See, to make the smallest number, arrange the given digits in ascending order. हम क्या करेंगे? Smallest number से start करेंगे और उसको arrange करेंगे increasing order और ascending order में. We do not write 0 in starting because 0 at the starting of a number has no value, right? So now see comparison of numbers. अब हमें कुछ numbers हैं, उन्हें compare कैसे करना है? While comparing two numbers, we have to remember the following rules. Rule 1. The number with lesser digits will be smaller than the number with more digits. And rule 2. If the number of digits in both the numbers is same, then see, rule 1 में जिस नंबर के कम डिजिट्स होंगे वो नंबर ऑफ कोर्स छोटा होगा, जिस नंबर के ज़्यादा डिजिट्स होंगे वो नंबर बड़ा होगा. रूल 2 में अगर नंबर ऑफ डिजिट सेम है, देन हाउ टू कंपेयर इट? फर्स्ट कंपेयर द डिजिट्स एट द लेफ्ट मोस्ट प्लेस. The number with a greater digit is greater than the other number. Then, if the numbers have the same digits at leftmost place, then compare the digits at the second place. And if they are equal, then continue the process till you get unequal digits at the corresponding places. See example, it would be clear to you. Now example 3, compare the numbers. This number 2,39,754 and this is 2,39,789. So first of all, let us compare the number of digits in the given numbers. First of all, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of digits same. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Comparison start करेंगे. So here both the numbers have 6 digits each. Now let us compare the digits starting from the left. The first, second, third and fourth digits from the left are the same in both the numbers. आप देखो इसमें भी 2 है. The second number has also 2. Then 3, then 3. 9, 9. Okay. 7, 7. Right. Now the fifth digit in the number. See here. This number यहाँ पर fifth digit है हमारा 8 और इसमें है fifth digit हमारा 5. So 8 is bigger than 5. It means this number is greater than the other number, right? Similarly, in this number and in this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both the numbers are of 8 digits. Okay. 9 at crore place. 6 at 10 lakh. Same. But at lakh place, we have 8 here and here we have 7. So this is bigger. The first one is greater than the second one, right? So very simple. Okay. Now come to exercise 2. So see question number 1. Write the following number in words. Like here B part. So what to do? First we have to see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So how we can write in words? 8 crore, 88 lakhs, 88,000, 888, right? I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 2. Write the following number in words. Like B part, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here we have 3 digits. Okay. Commas. Okay. So it means write in international place value system. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. So 6 million, 500, 29,000, 346, 346, right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay. Now come to next question number 3. Write these numerals in the Indian place value chart. Like see B part. So first of all, put the comma 1, 2, 3, comma, then 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma, right? Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So how you will write it? 3 crore 35 lakhs 95,708. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 4. Write the following numerals in the international place value chart. See here B part. So here 3 digits, comma, then 3 digits, comma. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million. So 10 million, 300, 41,300, 41,257, 257. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay. See question number 5. Write the following numbers in their expanded form. Like B part here. So what to do? So how we can write it? So first digit is 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 5. Then 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 0 leave it. Then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Plus 3. 3 zeros. Plus 200 plus 10 plus 8. Okay, very simple. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 6. Rewrite the following numbers in the Indian and international system using commas. You can try on your own. Very simple. Now see 7th question. Write the numerals for the following. A part 3 crore 35 lakh 37. So what to do? So here you know ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 3 crore 35 lakh. Here 1000 is missing. It means 20, and 37 means 100 digit is also missing. So 0, 3, 7. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Very simple. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now 8th question. Write the following numbers in the standard form. Like A part here, 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1. So how we can write in actual form? So what will you write? First 7, then 5, then 4, then 2, and then 1, right? Similarly, see B part here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and then 9 lakh. And here 60,000, then 500, then 40, and then 3. So first write 9, then 6. Now 1000 digit is missing. It means 0, and then 543, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Now come to next 9th question. Compare using greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So like A part here. So first count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means this number is bigger because it has more digits. So this number is greater. Now come to B part. 7,94,098, and this is 98,409. So of course the first number is greater. Similarly, you can try remaining parts, right? Now come to next here, like the 10th question. Find the successor of each of the following. So successor means next number plus 1. CA part 64,05,789. How we can find out its successor? तो हम क्या कर देंगे, इसमें +1 कर देंगे. So 64,05,790. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to 11th question. Find the predecessor of each of the following. Predecessor means previous number, means -1. Like here B part 93,24,000. तो इसमें से आप -1 कर देंगे. Then what will you get? You will get here 93,23,999, right? So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to 12th question. Form the greatest and the smallest 7-digit numbers. Following digits only ones. हमारे पास कुछ डिजिट्स हैं, 7 डिजिट्स हैं, उनको यूज करना है एंड वी हैव टू फॉर्म ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सी ए पार्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 डिजिट्स और सबको एक ही बार यूज करना है. So how we can form the greatest number? We can write the digits in descending order, decreasing order. So see the greatest one is 9, then 7, then 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have taken all the digits. So this is the number 97,54,321. This is the greatest number. Now form the smallest number. Smallest number बनाने के लिए we have to write the digits in ascending order, means smallest to greatest. So here smallest digit is 1, then 2, 3, then 4, 5, 7, 9. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is this? 12,34,579. So similarly you can try B part. Okay. Now come to next topic, rounding of numbers. Rounding of number means like एक approximate value find out करना. See, we have already learned rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, etc. Consider a number say 12, which lies between 10 and 20. We observe that the gap between 10 and 12 is less than the gap between 12 and 20. Means 12 is nearer to 10 than 20. So we round off 12 to 10. That is to the nearest tens, right? So similarly, if we take a number say 17, 17 is also between 10 and 20, but it is nearer to 20 as comparison to 10. तो जब हम इसको nearest round off करेंगे, then we can see we will round off 17 to the nearest 10 as 20, right? So but if number 15 is considered, now you can see 15 is at equal distance from both 10 and 20, but हम इसे round off करेंगे 20 में. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, like the first point in 47, the digit in the ones place is 7. So hence 47 rounded off to the nearest 10, that is 50, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now see the second point. In 252, the digits in the ones place is 2. Hence 252 rounded off to the nearest 10, that is 250. आप देखो 52 is lying between 50 and 60, but nearer to 50. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 250, right? Now next point 3. In 445, the digits in the tens place is 4. Hence 445 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 400. Okay. Now fourth point, in 8167, the digit in the tens place is 6. So this number rounded off to the nearest 100, it becomes 8200, right? Now the fifth one, in 5473, the digit at the hundreds place is 4. So hence this is rounded off to the nearest 1000, it becomes 5000. Okay, so now rounding of a number to the nearest 10,000. So look at the digit at thousands place of the given number. If it is less than 5, then replace the digits in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones by 0, keeping the digits in other places as they are. Okay, and if it is 5 or more than 5, then replace the digits in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and increase the 10,000 digit by 1, right? So see some examples, it would be clear to you. So like here examples 1, in number 19,786, the digit in thousand place is 9. So 9 is greater than 5. It means what to do? हम क्या करेंगे? जब हम करेंगे rounded off to nearest 10,000, we will make it 0 and increase this one by 2. So this becomes 20,000. Now example 2, in number 83,569, the digit in thousand place is 3, which is less than 5. So what to do? Make all these digits 0 and there is no change in 10,000 digit. So it becomes 80,000. Okay. Now come to next, rounding of a number to the nearest lakh. So look at the digit in 10,000 place of the given number. If it is 5 or more than 5, then replace the digits in 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and increase the digit in lakhs by 1. And if it is less than 5, then replace the digits in 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and keeping the digits in other places as they are. See some examples, like example 1 here. In this number you can see digit at 10,000 place is 6. Okay, it is more than 5. So what to do? हम क्या करेंगे? इन सबको 0 बना देंगे and 7 को increase कर देंगे by 1. 7 plus 1, that is 8. So what will you get? You will get this number: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 8 lakh, right? Now in example 2, this is 8,24,037. So here digit at 10,000 place is 2, which is less than 5. So the rounded off number is 80,000. सबको हम 0 बना देंगे और इस डिजिट को as it is रखेंगे. So this is the value. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to next example 4. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest tens. Like A part 53. So see the ones digit. This is 3, which is less than 5. So now make it 0 and there is no change in tens digit. So answer is 50. Okay. Now B part 287. See the ones digit, which is 7 and bigger than 5. So we have to change tens digit, increase by 1. So this becomes 290. Okay. Now C part 8,364. See the ones digit, which is 4, less than 5. So make it 0 and there is no change in the other digit. So answer is 8,360. So D part 1 digit is 5. In this number it means what to do? We have to change tens digit, increase it by 1 and write here 0. So answer is 2050. I hope this is clear to you. Now see example 5. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. A part 648. So you have to see the tens digit, which is 4 and less than 5. So there is no change in 100 digit and make it 0. So answer is 600. Now B part 2356. See the tens digit, it is 5 equal to 5. So what to do? Change this digit plus 1. So it becomes 2400. Okay. Now come to C part 13,768. Tens digit is 6, which is more than 5. So we have to change 100 digit. 7 plus 1, 8 हो जाएगा. So this is 13,800, right? Now come to D part 1249. See the tens digit, it is 4. So there is no change in 100 digit. Okay, so it becomes 1200, right? I hope these are clear to you. Now here example 6. Round the following numbers to the nearest 1000. Like A part 5486. अब हमें nearest 1000 करना है. So we have to see 100 digit. 100 digit is 4, which is less than 5. So there is no change in 1000 digit and make it 0. So it becomes 5000. Now B part 6823. So here 100 digit is 8 which is more than 5. So what to do? Plus 1 कर देंगे हम 1000 digit में, ये बन जाएगा 7000, right? Now come to C part 14,380. C 100 digit, this is 3 less than 5, so there is no change in 1000 digit. Okay, so it becomes 14,000, right? Now D part 23,659. C 100 digit which is 6 more than 5, so change 1000 digit plus 1 कर देंगे, it becomes 24,000, right? So now see next, estimation. Estimation is very important in our daily life. Now see next, estimation. Estimation is very important in our daily life. Before going to the market, we prepare a list of items to be purchased and we make an estimate of the total expenditure of these items. It enables us to carry enough money to make the payment. Okay, so suppose Rahul purchased a notebook for ₹47, a Parker pen for ₹109 and a storybook for ₹62. He wanted to save time in making payment. Without doing the actual calculations, he quickly estimated ₹47 as ₹50, ₹109 as ₹110 and ₹62 as ₹60. The estimated price is ₹220, whereas the actual price is ₹218. So thus we conclude that estimation makes our calculations easier and faster. Estimation gives only approximate value, right? Now estimating sum, difference, project and question. We will illustrate these with the help of some examples. The first one, we can estimate the sum and difference of two or more numbers by rounding of the numbers. Let us consider some examples. Example 7. Estimate each of the following using the general rule. Like here A part 274 plus 143. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Let us round off the nearest hundreds, right? So 274 means it is nearest to 300. 143 it means this is nearest to 100. Okay, so 300 plus 100, that is 400. This is the estimated sum and the actual sum इन दोनों को add करेंगे, that is 417, right? Now come to B part here. 673 minus 258. 673 it means rounded off to 700, okay, and 258 is rounded off to 300. So 700 minus 300, that is 400, estimated difference. Now the actual difference इन दोनों को minus करेंगे, you will get 415, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now see this C part 21,397. So round it off करेंगे, you will get 21,000. Then this number 27,807. So this becomes 28,000 and this is 42,505. So this becomes 43,000, right? Now what to do? Add all these. This is the sum 92,000 and the actual sum you can find. Add all these. You are getting 91,709, right? Now come to D part 28,292 minus 21,496. So let us round off to the nearest thousand. 28,292 is rounded off to 28,000 and 21,496 is rounded off to 21,000. दोनों को minus करेंगे, estimated difference that is 7,000 and then find the actual difference that is 6,796, right? Now come to example 8. Estimate the following products. Like A part 8,350 into 39. So now what to do? So here let us round off each factor to its greatest place. So this is 1000 digit here. So round it off to nearest 1000, it becomes 8000, and 39 it becomes 40. So 8000 into 40, that is 3,20,000. Now actual product, multiply these two, that is 3,25,650. Now here B part, 6,282 multiply 4,859. So now what to do? Round off each factor to its greatest place. So 6,282 को round off करेंगे, it becomes 6,000, and 4,859 it becomes 5,000. So estimated product इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे, then you will get this value, right? Now find the actual product, दोनों को multiply करेंगे, you will get this one. Okay, now C part, 1291 into 592. So here what to do? Let us round off each factor to its greatest place. So 1291 ये बन जाएगा हमारा 1000, and 592 बन जाएगा हमारा 600. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, we are getting 6 lakh. And then now find the actual product, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, you will get 7,64,272. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to example 9. Find the estimated quotient for, like A part, 627 divided by 23. So let us round off each number to its greatest place. So 627, this is rounded off to 600, and 23 rounded off to 20. दोनों को divide कर देंगे, answer is 30, right? Now B part, 985 divided by 48. So 985 round off करेंगे, it becomes 1000, and 48 rounded off to 50, right? So divide, we are getting answer 20. Okay, now come to C part, 74 divided by 34. So 74 becomes 70, and 34 becomes 30. दोनों को divide कर देंगे, 7 divided by 3, which is approximately equal to 2, right? Now the next D part, 694 divided by 58. So 694 is rounded off to 700, and 58 is rounded off to 60. इन दोनों को divide करेंगे, 70 divided by 60, and approximate value is 12. I hope these are clear to you. Very easy, very interesting. Now example 10. Find the estimated quotient for A part, 477 divided by 19. So round it off each number to the greatest place. 477 it becomes 500, 19 it becomes 20. दोनों को divide कर देंगे, answer is 25. Now B part, 862 divided by 29. 862 it becomes 900, 29 it becomes 30. दोनों को divide कर देंगे, answer is 30. So I hope these are clear to you. Now this is the time of exercise 3 based on such type of example. See question number 1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousand. Like B part, 5,764. आप देखेंगे 100 digit which is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So we have to change 1000 digit plus 1 कर देंगे, ये बन जाएगा आपका 6000. Answer is 6000. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 2. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10,000. यानी आप क्या देखेंगे 1000 digit को, like C part here, this number is 2,83,246. So nearest 10,000 है, you have to see 1000 digit. So this is 3, which is less than 5. So there is no change. So you will get this one. Okay, 2,80,000, right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 3. Round off the following numbers to the nearest lakh. Like B part, this is 4,54,305. आप देखेंगे 10,000 digit which is 5 and equal to 5. सो वी हैव टू चेंज लाख डिजिट +1 कर देंगे और बाकी को 0 बना देंगे. सो दिस इज 5 lakh, right? So I hope this is clear to you. You can try remaining parts. Similarly, 4th and 5th question you can try on your own. Now the 6th one, estimate the question in the following cases. Like A part, 74 divided by 39. So 74 means rounded off to nearest tens. So that is 70 divided by 39 का बन जाएगा 40, right? So it means 7 divided by 4. So approximate 2. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now see the 7th question. Estimate the sum of the following numbers to the nearest thousand. So here this is 31,750, 47,807, and this is 12,397. So nearest thousand, it means you have to see 100 digit. So here this is 7. So it means increase this digit by 1. So this becomes 32,000 plus. And here this is 8. So this becomes 48,000 plus. And here this is 3. So there is no change. Plus 12,000. You can add all these, you will get the answer, right? Similarly, you can try 8th and 9th question, right? Now here see the 10th question. There are 1,712 coins in a red bag and 1,238 coins in a green bag. Estimate the total number of coins to the nearest 100 in both the bags. So what to do? हमें क्या करना है? Nearest 100. So this number 1,712, it becomes 1,700 plus, and this number it becomes 1,200. So answer is 2,900. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining questions. Now this is the time of mental maths. Like first question, filling the blanks. A part, 1 lakh equals to dash thousand. So you know ones, tens, 100 in Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, and in international system we take ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, then 10 million, like this. So now compare it. So 1 lakh equals to 100,000. Okay, like 1 million equals to how many lakh? 1 million equals to 10 lakhs, right? And C part, 100 million equals to how many crores? So similarly, you can compare it. Okay, you will get the answer. Like here now D part, the whole number which is not a natural number is, that is 0, right? Now E part, the whole number which does not have a predecessor is, that is 0 only. Okay, now F part, in the given set of numbers which can be rounded off nearest to 70. So you can see which number, that is 69, right? Now G part, write the greatest number which when rounded off to the nearest thousand becomes 9,000. So that number is 8,999. Similarly, you can try these remaining parts. Now come to question number 2. State true or false. A part, in Roman numerals, the digits do not have any place value. Yes, this statement is true. Okay. B part, the place value of a digit is independent of whether the number is written in Indian system or international system of numeration. Yes, this is true. Okay, similarly you can try these remaining parts. Now come to question number 3. Do as directed. A part, write the smallest and greatest 5 digit numbers using 9, 1 and 0. Now we have 3 digits but हमें बनाना है 5 digit number. यानी जब हमें ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर लिखना है देन वी कैन रिपीट ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट, राइट? सो वी कैन राइट 99910. This is the greatest number. And smallest number के लिए we have to repeat smallest digit. अब हम 0 से तो start नहीं करेंगे, we will start with 1 and 0009. Okay? Similarly, you can try these remaining parts, right? So I hope this is clear to you. The next is Maths Lab activity objective, using number cards to create the largest 5-digit number and rounding off the numbers nearest to 1000 in a place value math through a game played by 2 students. Now material required: number 1 number cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. The second one, place value math: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now procedure: the first one, the game is played between 2 students. The second one, without seeing the digits, student A takes out 5 number cards from the deck of cards and places them on the place value mat as per his or her own choice. So like this. Okay, now step 3, student B follows the same procedure and gets the number as shown in the figure. Okay, one number student B will get. Then step 4, now both the students will compare their numbers. So we can compare these two numbers. We can see the first number is greater than the second one. Now step 5, since student A has the larger number, he is the winner in this game. And step 6, now the game can be extended like this. Student A and student B will round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. Then step 7, rounding off the first number to the nearest 1000, it comes to 98,000, and rounding off the second number to the nearest 1000, it becomes 84,000. So now step 8, student A is the winner, right? Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.